What's going on, everybody? So Apple today has released iOS 15.0.2, and this update comes with some more bug fixes as well as a security update, and they also released iPadOS 15.0.2 and watchOS 8.0.1. Those are kind of confusing saying all those .0s, .1s, .2s. But anyways, today's all about the iPhone and iPad, so let's go ahead and talk about what they have changed here. Okay, so for the first thing, there was an issue where photos saved to your library from messages could be deleted after you deleted a associated message or thread. So if you had a message thread with somebody and they sent you some pictures and you saved them to your camera roll, and then you decided you were going to delete that conversation, well, it could actually end up deleting the pictures from your Photos app as well. So that issue is now fixed. Second thing, there was a couple things here with the Find My app. So in the Find My app, there was an issue with the iPhone leather wallet, which was not connecting to Find My, so that should be fixed now. And also AirTags might not appear in the Find My Items tab. So obviously pretty important that you want to be able to find your AirTags because they're attached to an important item most likely. So those two Find My problems should be fixed now as well. Third thing here was a CarPlay bug, which I know is affecting a lot of people, but basically what was happening is Apple CarPlay may fail to open audio apps or disconnect during playback. So that should be fixed now as well. And then the final thing here had to do with iPhone 13 models. So if you were trying to restore your device or update, it could fail when you were using either Finder or iTunes on iPhone 13 models. So you basically weren't able to really completely restore your phone from a backup if you were using a computer method instead of, on your device. So that should be fixed now as well. Now some other things here that may or may not be fixed. They were supposed to be fixed in 15.0.1. First thing is the touch issues that iPhone 13 models were having. Apparently those were all fixed in 15.0.1, but something like YouTube was still having some problems, but their app just got updated like a day or so ago. So the touch issues should be no more on your iPhone 13 model. And then the other thing here has to do with the iPhone storage section here in the settings app. So I'm still having some problems with this. After 15.0.1, it did fix my excessive other storage that I was having issues with, but now my problem is that basically it's just not displaying my storage correctly. And also the app tends to never load my storage stuff. So you can see that right there, it claims that I only have 11.2 gigabytes of 64 gigs used, and that's just completely false. It's more like 30 something, so I don't know why this has decided to kind of mess up on me, but you can just kind of see down here, well, it's actually loaded now, but when you go down here, your system data is just not working right. And this kind of tells you right here too that it's not showing iOS anymore, right? So it's that 7 something gigs, and then my photos alone take up 11.8. So it's not even like, you can just tell that this is wrong. I mean, photos are 11.8 gigs. That's already more than the total storage it claims it is taking up, which is 11.2. So yeah, this is wrong on my iPhone 10. So let me know what your storage app looks like. It looks like 15.0.2 did not fix that. So yeah, I don't know what's going on in the whole storage thing here, but let me know what your storage is showing on your device. And we can talk about the security fix here. So here it is. It was the IO mobile frame buffer, and basically what was happening is an application may be able to execute arbitrary code with kernel privileges, and Apple's aware of a report that this may have been actively exploited, and it says they fixed it by a memory corruption issue being addressed and improving the memory handling. So that is the only security fix here in this latest update. And then real quickly, if you want to talk about the iPad, so the iPad didn't get quite all the fixes that the phone did because some of those were, phone specific, but The iPad was having the photos being deleted from your library, a bug. The Find My AirTags were not working. And then also, the iPad mini 6th generation was having the same issues as iPhone 13. So if you were restoring it or updating it through the Finder or iTunes, it could fail. So basically, the latest devices were having issues. So iPad mini 6 and iPhone 13. So all that stuff should be good to go now on your iPad as well. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it here for this latest update. Let me know if you were having that storage bug, because that's still pretty interesting to see. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching as always, and I will catch you all in the next video.